guys, Miss Charlie here with another 2 looks 1 palette. I recently got the new Beaute Bar Bejeweled palette. It came in here the last week or so, last couple weeks, and it's been very busy this holiday season. Plus I was ill, so I haven't been doing a lot of uploading and things like that because I haven't felt like it. But I still wanted to go ahead and get this done. I am feeling better now, so as of today I filmed my first look using it, but I just wanted to go ahead and get them done and get them out there for you. But this is their latest palette. I like Beaute Bar. I also used the Celestial Garden palette with this too. This is the Celestial Garden. This is a collaboration with M. Jones 5018 on Instagram. It's just Monica, who is a friend of my friend Jessica. So I had to support her with getting this last year. This was my top palette of 2022 because I love it so much. But this palette doesn't have any really light colors because of Bejeweled. It has a lot of jewel tones, which are deeper and darker, and I wanted something for my inner corner, so I went ahead and I used this color here, which is Queen of the Night. I used that for inner corner in one of the look that I did today. But this palette is absolutely beautiful. I've traveled with it. I love that it has liners in it. I love everything about this. That's why it was my #1 palette last year. But this color here looks white, but it has a pink reflect to it. So I wanted to use something that was a little bit lighter for my inner corner. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. The pink reflect there for my inner corner. So I pulled this out. So it's still Beaute Bar, but it's just a different palette. But this one here is, again, jewel tone, very deep jewel tone colors. In my first look, I just used this color right here. None of the others, just this one. And I haven't swatched this at the time when I'm doing my looks. I haven't swatched it at all, but I will put swatches. I will insert those later. But I only used a blue sapphire, which is an absolutely stunning color. It's blue and a little bit purple. You see a little bit of teal in there, but it's really, really gorgeous. And I only used the one color for my first look. I just wanted to do something really quick and simple, and this was really quick and simple. But then you'll see the next look that I used coming up here shortly, but I will again show you swatches. So let me know if you picked this up, if you've used it. Let me know your thoughts, because I like deep tones. And also if you have purchased anything from Beaute Bar, since they have come out with quite a few palettes in 2023, but this is the one that I got last year, the Celestial Garden. I don't know if it's still available, but it is a really nice palette. But let me know your thoughts on Beaute Bar. If you have purchased any other palettes from them, let me know which ones are your favorite. I will look into it, but this one caught my eye because it is dark, deep jewel tones. But I'm gonna stop talking. I appreciate you all coming and watching my 2 looks 1 palette using this, and we'll get on to the eye looks. So that was my 2 looks 1 palette using the Bella Beaute Bar's Bejeweled palette. Again, this is really pretty deep jeweled tones. I had a good time using it. I didn't use a lot of the shadows, but the ones I used, I loved, had no problem with at all. I will be using this a lot more in the future. So stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed to my Instagram. I do post a lot of looks there. Or if you want me to do another 2 looks or whatnot with this, let me know. I can do a video for that as well. But I thank you all for coming and visiting with me. Happy 2024. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope everyone has a wonderful year. I hope your year last year was just as good. Take care. Again, I thank you and I appreciate you all so very, very much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.